Casting to Xumo Stream Box is straightforward on Android using built-in Google Cast technology. Open a Cast-compatible app like YouTube or Netflix. Tap the Cast icon and select your Xumo Stream Box to stream content directly. iOS devices lack native AirPlay support on the Xumo Stream Box due to its Android-based architecture. Instead, use screen mirroring apps like AllCast or Replica to mirror your entire screen to the box. For successful casting, ensure both your phone and Xumo Stream Box are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep the box firmware updated, and for iOS devices, use iOS 16 or later for better compatibility. The Xumo app itself supports direct casting, allowing you to stream content from your phone directly to the TV without needing external devices or workarounds. Android casting is generally smoother with built-in support, while iOS requires workarounds and may experience occasional compatibility issues, particularly with newer iOS versions. If casting fails, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. The Xumo Stream Box firmware is updated, and for iOS, use iOS 16 or later for better compatibility. Common issues include Wi-Fi interference and DRM-protected content limitations. Screen mirroring visually demonstrates how casting works from phone to TV. The future of casting includes seamless cross-device integration, AI-assisted casting with voice commands, and potential universal casting protocols like Matter. Experts predict increased support for non-Android devices, possibly including limited AirPlay compatibility and AI-driven content recommendations. Expect easier, more intuitive casting experiences in the coming years.